This isn't me. Well, it is, but it's my AI version. And today, my AI clone is going to show you exactly how I make viral faceless videos without ever showing my face, and all using my phone. If you've already created your AI twin using Google Gemini, it's time to put her to work because your clone can actually build a full content brand that earns money online while you stay camera free. And if you don't know how to create a clone of yourself, click the link below. I have a full tutorial on that. Right now, faceless content is exploding. More people than ever are going viral using AI visuals, storytelling, and tutorials, and the best part is nobody even knows who is behind it. It's perfect for people like us who wants to stay private but still create value, inspire others, and build a digital brand. You can use your AI twin to make lifestyle content, tutorials, motivational videos, or even storytelling content that gets thousands, sometimes millions of views. So let's talk about how to make your first one. For this part, you'll need Google Gemini, CapCut or TikTok, and Pinterest. We'll go step by step and I promise it's very easy. First, you have to start with something simple like maybe a day in my life, how my digital self built a business, motivational quotes with my AI clone. Your concept doesn't have to be deep. Just pick a vibe like luxury, motivational, aesthetic, or educational. Now open Gemini and generate about 4 to 6 images of your clone in different outfits and places. Click the plus button and add a picture of yourself. Now I want my first picture of her to be in bed, like she just woke up from bed. So I type this in the prompt. She's in her beautiful cozy bed in a silky pajamas. Now you can let it be anywhere in your room or anywhere in the world, okay? But I want to do a daily routine for her. So I'll start by she being in bed. Now this is perfect. My face is the same, the hair is the same, and I'm in my cozy bed in a silky outfit, okay? In a silky pajama, sorry. Now I want her to be in the bathroom brushing her teeth. So I'm going to put in that prompt and generate it. Now isn't this beautiful? She's in her bathroom, she's brushing her teeth, and this is just perfect. The face is still the same. Now I want her to be like in motion of brushing her teeth, so I created it again to see what I will get. Alright, this looks like she's actually brushing her teeth, so I like this more. Now I'm going to put in this prompt. I want her dressing up in her bedroom. Okay, so this is like a daily routine for her, which will later put it in a video and just post it online. So you can use this as a get ready with me or a day in my life. Alright, this is nice. There's a dress on the bed, there's a shoe, and she looks like she's about to remove her outfit. Okay, so I want her to wear an actual outfit and I'm going to put in that prompt. What you can do is just follow what I'm doing, or you can create your own prompt. Just give it a very short, precise prompt and hit generate. Oh, this is nice. I love it, but I want her to look more professional and classy. So I'm going to type in the prompt, change only the outfit to a more classy professional look. Now that's more like it. I love this. She looks like she's about to go to work. Okay, I really love this. Now once you like all your pictures, just click on download. It will go straight to your gallery. So what I normally do is I create a lot of different pictures, especially something that I will do during my day, and I download it and just put them together in either CapCut or TikTok itself. I really love putting everything together in TikTok because it makes it easier to edit. You get it? So you can follow what I'm doing and just create your own pictures as well. Alright, now the next thing we are going to do is to go to Pinterest. Pinterest is where we'll be able to download a lot of faceless aesthetic videos where we can add it to our static images. So you can scroll through whichever one that you want to use, like somebody eating or someone cooking. All should be faceless. Someone bathing, it should be faceless. So you're going to search for these ones, then we are going to copy the link of whichever one that you want. So click on the three dots, then you click on copy link. Once you're done, go to your Google search bar and type Pinterest downloader. This interface is going to open, and just paste the link that you got in there and click on fetch media. So this is going to open, then you click on force download video. Once you click on that, then you click on download. So it will go straight to your downloads. Okay, it will go right to your downloads. So you can download as many videos as you want from Pinterest. Just copy the link and come and put it in this Pinterest downloader, and you're going to use it to add more life to your videos. So I'm going to download more Pinterest videos to add to my video in order to make it more lively and aesthetic. You can do the same. You can download as many videos as you want. Just copy the link and put it in the interface I showed you and download it. Now for the editing, we'll either use CapCut or TikTok. Now I want to use CapCut for you to see first. So open CapCut and click on new project. Then you choose the pictures and the videos that you downloaded from Gemini and Pinterest. So you are going to put them in order. Now you can choose to edit it anyhow that you want. What I really love is to use TikTok to edit these videos, because at the end of the day I'll be posting it on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube Shorts, and TikTok has most of the features that I need, so I rather edit everything in TikTok. It makes it easier for me. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit these images and videos in TikTok to put them together to look like a get ready with me or a day in my life. So open your TikTok account and upload all the images and pictures that we got from Gemini and Pinterest. Now that you have your photos and images, for the photos you can use Canvas, that's the slow zoom, to make your photos look more lively, and you can just edit it in a style that you want, in a way that you want, or you can use any of the CapCut templates to make it look more lively. It's all up to you. So once you get them, just edit it the way you like, add a soft background and add a text overlay on it, and just start posting them. This is so easy. You can also add short captions or voiceover, like your future self is already proud of you. This isn't me, it's my AI twin living in the life I'm building. So just make it something lively. Now let me show you an example of how mine looks like. Now here's the thing, your AI videos can actually become income streams. You can monetize on YouTube Shorts once you hit 1,000 subscribers, and you can promote your own digital products like templates or planners. You can also attract brand deals who want your clone to model their product, or even sell AI image packs made from your twin. Your AI clone becomes your digital asset, a brand face that never gets tired. camera shy or offline. You don't have to be an influencer to build influence. Your AI version can create, post, and grow for you, all while you stay behind the scenes. So go ahead, try this out, and tag me when you make your first AI short. I'd love to see it. Don't forget to subscribe for the next episode, where I'll show you how to automate your AI clones content so it runs 24/7, literally building your brand while you sleep.